Hi, I'm Susan Yoder with American Pride Realty, and I'm here in Northeast Oklahoma, and I'm excited to present to you a beautiful residential home, 1,500 square foot in the highly sought after Coves of Bird Island in Northeast Oklahoma, right on Grand Lake. There is a 3-car garage providing ample space for vehicles, storage, and a workshop. And with over 1,500 square feet of living space, the property offers spacious living areas, modern amenities, and beautiful landscape surroundings. One of my favorite features of this house is the stained concrete floor. I love it. It is so user-friendly. It's right in the main living area, and in the primary bedroom, it has a hardwood floor, which is also another favorite of mine. The kitchen has this amazing, spacious refrigerator that's double-sided side by side, so you have plenty of room to host all your friends and family. Central vac throughout the home. It has a spacious backyard with a fire pit. The community is not just about homes. It is about a vibrant lifestyle filled with activities and amenities. Close proximity to the Cherokee Yacht Club, you are going to be in the center of it all.